Ahora vamos a tener a Gian Ortiz de Colmena66 que le va a hablar del programa Cercatal Grant que la convocatoria va a abrir próximamente.
All right. Buenos días y good morning. I'm going to speak in English because there's a group of professors and participants here who are English speakers. My name is Gian Ortiz. As Valentina mentioned, I work with Colmena66. It is a program of the Puerto Rico Science, Technology, and Research Trust. We are basically an ecosystem building organization that helps connect entrepreneurs with the right resource at the right time. So you can contact us either by phone or email. We'll do an assessment of what your needs are, what type of business you have, and then we'll connect you with other resources in our network of over 270 organizations and programs in Puerto Rico to make sure that you get the help that you need. Today in particular, I'll be speaking about Acércate al Grant, or Get Closer to the Grant. This is an initiative that we piloted back in 2021, and now in 2023, we received an award from SBA, from the Growth Accelerator Fund competition. And so we're refocusing this program to support entrepreneurs and researchers like yourselves to access SBIR and STTR funding opportunities. What we do is we provide technical assistance, training, and we connect you with expert grant writers to help you throughout that process so that you can submit your proposal. For our results in 2021, we worked with 14 startups. 7 of these actually submitted their proposals, and 2 of them were awarded. I just want to briefly mention what those projects are, just to give you an idea of the broad scope of the types of research that SBIR is looking for. These are only 2 examples, but you can imagine there's hundreds more that can access these types of opportunities. This company's name is Puerto Rico. They were focusing on working with edible mushrooms. And what they found is, through research with the Universidad Central del Caribe, a professor there found that the type of mushroom that they were working with had some enzymes that could have potential treatment for cancer. So they started doing their research with other preliminary data, and then they submitted their SBIR for USDA. They were actually awarded, and now they're working on their process of establishing a structure to do some cultivation of the mushrooms and then continue doing their research with the potential treatment of cancer. So this is a very successful project that is developing, and we expect to see a lot of good results coming from them. We also have Into Health Design. Just to give a bit of background about their story, they started after Hurricane Maria. They began with the UPR Innovation, or Centro para Innovación y Comercialización. They did the research after Hurricane Maria, and what they found is that many people were affected or died because they did not have a way to refrigerate their medicines because of the power outage in Puerto Rico. Particularly focusing on insulin. So what they did is they researched and they found that they could develop an innovative refrigeration system to help people in these types of challenges or disasters, but they're also finding other ways to help promote or impact logistics, organ donations, and other important biomaterials that are important to transport, and how they can refrigerate them with the project that they're working on. They were awarded their SBIR award from NSF, and now they're in Mayagüez, establishing their laboratory and a manufacturing plant to continue developing their project, and they're also looking to submit an SBIR Phase 2. So another successful project coming out of Puerto Rico with a very different approach to the other project, but just to give you an example of the types of projects that these types of agencies are interested in. Here, we just want to share that we are interested in having you participate in our cohorts and our programs. As Valentina said, next year we will be launching the open call and the application, but you can join the waitlist. And what we're looking for, innovative technologies. If you're working from literally any aspect or any industry where you think your technology can be impactful, we want to hear from you. We want to see if your technology has potential and how we can support you. And if you're doing any type of research that can be transformative or have an impact in any field as well, we also want to hear from you. So please join that waitlist, and further along the year, we'll be sending out more information and a lot more of events and invitations so that you can come and learn about these opportunities and apply. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy and learn a lot throughout the workshop today. Thank you.